back to my channel. So we're currently here in Palm Coast Beach Resort here in Basiao Ivisan, Capiz. Maganda yung beach, malinaw, kaso madaming jellyfish, especially summer ngayon. Yung mga jellyfish pumupunta sila sa shore, sa mabababaw. Ayan guys, so ang dami nila. Packs of jellyfish. Guys, I am wearing the dress that I made on my previous vlog. So if you're interested to know how I made this one, I'm going to put the link on the I button somewhere up there or on the description down below. So here's our cottage, Family Cottage 6, and they also have other cottages. And you have to make a reservation before you go here at the resort. Kasi hindi sila tumatanggap ng walk-ins because of pandemic. So ngayon guys, magsaset up tayo for the budong bike! Happy birthday to you! Ayaw! Oh, ayaw! 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 Hello guys, we're here at the second beach resort kasi medyo sobrang dami na ng tao dun sa first resort. So we decided na lumipat dito, and this beach resort is called RPM. I don't know what it stands for, but yeah, I think it looks much better here. And mas okay yung ambience, lesser yung tao.